Okay, today we are at Astley on the outskirts of Shrewsbury again. Another little church to have a look at. Never ever been here, so we'll have a look. Nice little chair there, facing sun as well. It's very windy today, so if I'm picking up wind, I'm very sorry about that. But I think it's that storm, is it all Irwin or something like that? It's a gorgeous house there, that is. Walk around, it's a lovely little place. Really is. It's an old doorway, obviously, isn't it? Yeah. Let's just have a quick look at this one. Oh, 1805. God, 16 years old. Wow. 1793, aged 35 years old. Oh, Richard Parry, son of Richard and Sarah Parry, who departed this life. Yeah. Nice little windows. They are nice little windows. That reminds me of a little chapel. But apparently Shropshire isn't again at half as much as what some other places are getting. So we're quite lucky there. Years ago, when I was younger, when I was a kid, I used to think that the coffins were inside them, but they're not, are they? They're below, I think. But anyway, if anyone knows, let me know in the comments, please. Obviously, I won't be putting the drone up today, because otherwise it'll just disappear in this wind. They are only tiny. We'll have a little walk down here, and I won't be taking any of these fresh graves. I'm not taking anything of them, but we'll take a nice little shot of the church down here. Have a look inside, see what it's like. There's the bell rope. nice little place. Yeah, we'll just write in the visitors book as we do. It's a very little church, but I'll still put our names down just to say we've been. There you go. 20. 4 for the first, 25. Got such a blooming runny nose from that wind. Take it this ceiling is original. That's lovely, that is. Benches are in very good condition. I forgot what they're called, to be fair. Oh, could do with that. Oh, that's a lovely wind. I do like these church windows. So it'll only be a short visit here today because it's only a little church. But it's another one off the mark. Beautiful. I'm always looking at the doors. So anyway, let's just come back here and we'll zoom in on that. Zoom in on the writing for you. Hopefully you can read that. And I think that is it for today. A little short visit. And we'll move on to the next location. It's lovely though there, isn't it? And you know what? The smell is different to a lot of the other churches I've been to, because they've usually got that same smell. But this one smells a bit different. But anyway, that's it. Oh, that wind. Hear that? Someone's going to open that door. So yeah. Church, ticked off the box. Hope you enjoyed that. Until the next time, bye bye for now.